Hi! In this video, I will show you how to collaborate with other people inside magicplan. Let's get started. When you start using magicplan, you are on a free version of the program, so you will see that you have 2 projects to play around, and then you will go to cloud.magicplan.app to purchase a subscription if you want to work with more people. Then you will click on billing and you select upgrade. You will choose the plan that you prefer, in this case the Pro 12, and here you can also adapt the quantity of the paid plan that you want. You can go up if you want, or you can say I will start with 10, it's fine. You fill in all the contact info. You can say I'm purchasing as a business, so you can change the tax info according to your country, and you subscribe. Don't forget to agree with the terms and conditions. Here you will see that the subscription has been purchased. Now you can go on members, and here you can invite as many people as you want. You insert an email and you tap on invite. An invite has been sent automatically at this point. So to be able to join your workspace, that person needs to download the magicplan app, sign up for free, and tap on the invitation link that has been automatically sent by the magicplan cloud. You will know when someone accepted your invite because it will be listed under the active members. If we go back to the project page, it's important to note that not all the workspace members will see the same projects. If you're the workspace owner, you will see all the projects that your members created. However, if you would like someone else to work on a project, you can always assign the project to a different person that's working in your workspace. So here you will see, after you enter a project, that you can change the project assignee. You can also attach a message for that person, and you simply assign the project to someone different. After clicking on assign, you will see that the assignee will change, as you can see here, and the project will not be listed in my project page, as you can see. But if I tap on click here to see the project of all members, I will see that this project that I now assign to another person is still there. And if I would like to have more structure, I can also create a team. I will click on Teams, and here I will select the option Create Team. I just give a name to my new team, and I create it. So I will simply tap on Invite Members, and I can add as many people as I want from my workspace. I can, of course, create more teams, and I can add different people, or I can add the same person to different teams too. If you need more info about this topic, I'm happy to leave you some useful link under this video in the first comment, so you can check those resources. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!